Hello everyone. Today I wanted to pitch my idea for the horror movie The Wolf. Now The Wolf is based off Aesop's fable of Little Red Riding Hood, but it's not going to be an exact copy. I wanted the events to take place after the original story with some alterations to what happens in the original story. So for the opening shot here, it's going to be a long hallway that the cast is going to be walking through. Now I want the whole film to be in black and white, as this film is going to be my homage to other horror films that I've looked up to, and the black and white is from Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, which is the most famous slasher movie in history. So as they're walking down, we get this shot here of Little Red Riding Hood between these two cops. Now I really like this shot, and I hope I can get it exactly like this, so we get a nice sense of balance with Red Riding Hood in the middle and the cops on each side. The story is going to be that of, after the events of the original, they take Red Riding Hood in to question her about what happened and to find out about the killer. So they're taking her to a safe house. So the cops are escorting her down the hallway and they put her in the safe house. Then we have three cops standing in front of the door in order to protect her. Now, the joke here being that an unflattering term for cops is also known as pigs. So we have Red Riding Hood and the three little pigs. So the cops are standing guard and they hear a sound and one of them goes off, and off screen they get killed. And this shot here, let me get a little closer, is going to be an homage to Nightmare on Elm Street. And the killer, the wolf, is going to be based off of Freddy Krueger. So I didn't want to make them a wolf or, wolf man. I wanted them to be an actual serial killer, so his hand is going to be claws. So as he kills this cop, he's going to perform this homage to the original Nightmare on Elm Street movie, which is a kill where a woman in a body bag gets pulled off screen, and this body, the cop, will get pulled off screen. So the second cop goes to check and he gets killed. The first cop gets really scared, and as he's going for his gun, he drops it. He goes to pick it up, and the killer's right behind him, grabs him by the throat, and then kills him. And I want to have this nice little, maybe slide down the door shot. Them just slowly falling down. And then he goes into the interrogation room. Even though it's a safe house, they've fitted it to ask her questions. And then, for Red, one thing I do want to add is it's all going to be black and white, but her outfit is going to be red. I want to desaturate everything except her outfit. And I feel like that'll make her really stand out, and the rest of the world will have this dreary, gloomy feel to it, except this girl. And there's a bright light shining down from her, and we see the wolf enter, but all we see for the last shot is his shadow swiping down at her, and that's it. I want to leave the ending ambiguous. Did she escape again from the wolves? Did the wolf finally get her? That sense of ambiguity I feel like a lot of horror films had, but when I came up with that ending in mind, I was thinking of The Thing, and in that movie you do not know the true ending of what happens once the camera goes off, and I want that to have the same feel for here. So I want this film to have a sense of fear, gloominess, and dread, while at the same time being an homage to older horror movies.